Hey everyone, welcome to new our video. Today I will show you how to delete Instagram all posts on one click. So open the Instagram app, then click on the logo icon and click the three lines. Then scroll down and you show option like your activities and show option like reels and post. So tap on the reels and you show the your all reels, so tap on it and long press and select like anyone deleted and you show the option like delete and you select the delete reels and tap on the delete option and your reel is successfully deleted. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.